All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. My name is Jason. For those of you that don't know me, if you've been here before, you know the channel is all about finding ways to make money online and passing that on to you guys so you can do the same so that you can get away from that 9 to 5 grind. Now, today we're going to continue working on our new series, turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month using Clickbank. And this is all done with offers that we don't have to pay for anything through Clickbank. And then we're using a mailing system that we pay $5 a day for 5 accounts. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we sure appreciate it if you do so. We like the support, and it really helps us out. So let's jump right into Clickbank, and we'll see what is going on today. This is our second offer that we're promoting now. And let's see how we did yesterday. All right, we made a sale yesterday, probably last night after emails went out. So there we go. So we have now proven that there's a good possibility here. We can just keep this going and we can make money doing this. So this is the first money that I've made with Clickbank. I've never really done much with them until I decided to run this series just to see, and now we've proven that it is a possibility using just a simple copy and paste method. So we're not doing any social advertising, we're not doing any paid ads, we're not doing anything of the sort except for simple copy paste pre-made emails, and we're able to bring in $17.94 last night, sorry. And then of course we can see here, this is our new offer here. So we're still getting plenty of clicks to our link for just now sending this out, and we're still getting tons of traffic in there. So we're going to continue that, and we will go with the email number 2 for this offer. So let's go ahead and jump into that. But this is good. This is exciting. So we popped our cherry with Clickbank, and now we've got another income stream that is on top of everything else that we already have going on. And that's exactly what you want to do with this. You don't want to rely on just one stream of income. You want to have multiple streams of income, and they're working for you all the time. So we set this up so we could have an additional on top of what we already have. And this is just working for us in the background, along with our other promotions that we run. And then on top of that, we also do some Forex trading, and we also do some trading in some precious metals so that we can kind of build those accounts up as well. I will be putting some content about those on here eventually. I'm testing a couple systems out right now. Once we see how they go, I will post something on here. You guys will have access to that as well. So far, so good. We're making some money. In about the last month with those, we made a little over $1,200 in Forex and gold. So we're doing pretty good. We're going to try and just build that, and we're just going to keep building it all the time. All right, so back to Clickbank. Let's go ahead and go do our email for the day. And we're going to do email number 2. Now, I did put a document down below this video with these emails in there, pre-written and ready to go. You'll just need to change a couple things like we discussed on prior videos, with your name and their name, and adding your links in there. So our subject line for today's is going to be right there: watch and rate videos, $240 per day. And then what I'm going to do is, just like I did yesterday, I'm going to copy this entire email with the link and everything. So Control C. I'm going to dump it all right here with Control V. And then here's our link that we're going to change, right? We did that yesterday. And we'll do that again today. We'll just do that every day so that you guys can see exactly how to do that whenever you're sending these out. So we're going to change this piece of short code to first name. So Control C, Control V. And then we're going to go ahead and put our name. And let's just change this. You can put whatever you want. I'm just going to put, and I'll put best regards. And then down here is where we're going to come in here and we're going to change this because we want our ID to be in there. So that is our ID for Clickbank. You go in there and you put yours there, okay, whatever you set your account up as. And then we're going to copy this. Actually, let me go through here and change, get all that out of bold. And then we're going to go right here, highlights, Control C. Okay, there's our link. And then we see, so right here, they've already got it set up for us. We're going to put it there, right here to your link. There it is. And we'll bold that. And we're going to bring that up a size. And then they have it right here. So let's just do this. Let's just do right here. And then what we'll do is we'll just bold that and we'll leave the size the same for that one. So now we've got it in there, our link in there twice. And then we're going to go down here and delete that. Okay, so there we go. So now our email says we are looking for people who can watch and rate videos on a regular basis. We have clients who produce large volumes of video content and need assistance in rating their productions. This work can be done from anywhere in the world by honest and reliable people. Click here to complete your application if you're interested. Job description is if successful in your application, you'll be sent links to videos that you must watch. These may be anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes long. After watching the video, you will give it a rating on a scale of 1 to 10. You will also have the option of adding additional comments, but it is not required. It is not a requirement. Pay is $30 an hour. Actually, let's just bold that. Let's bold this. Hours per week, 15 plus. And we might as well just bold this too. Contract length, no fixed term. Location, this is an online job. We're looking for applicants from all countries. To qualify for this role, you need, let's see, you need an internet connection. Internet connected device such as a laptop, phone, or tablet. Okay. You must have regular internet access and be available for work at least 10 hours a week. Let's say per week. Social media assistants are in huge demand worldwide right now. If you feel you qualify to apply, let's do this. If you feel you qualify, comma, well, that doesn't sound right. If you feel you qualify to apply. I guess it sounds okay. It reads kind of strange. We'll leave it. We're trying not to change these too much because we're trying to just go with the standard copy and paste method in here. So all we're going to do now is we've got this ready to go. We're going to go and Control C and copy this. And we're going to go ahead and make sure we got everything done. And then we're going to send this out. And as soon as this sends, there we go. We'll come up here and we're going to right click and then duplicate. Then we're going to go to our next account. Now, if you've only got one, you'd be done. Like I said, you definitely want to have more than one, so at least two. I run 5 for everything that I do. And you just saw exactly why, because the more traffic we get out, the better chances of making sales we're going to have. All right, so that's why we do that. So there we go, perfect timing. It's all went in there right. And then we're going to grab our subject. And we're going to grab our email again before we send this, so we've got it ready for the next one and send. All right, so we'll go to our other account. Number 3, log in, mailing system, select all the way down. We're going to highlight, then Control V, hit perfect timing. We're going to come back up and grab our subject line from our document. Oh, that's the pre-header. We want to grab our subject line. Need to pay attention. Actually, we could even throw that pre-header here if we wanted to. Don't use these all the time, but why not? There we go. And we'll grab our email. Control C. You can use it. You don't have to use it. It's up to you. I use it on some, and some I don't. It just, whatever you feel like that day, I guess. It doesn't really matter that much from what I've seen. So we'll go to our next account, which will be number 4. So we'll highlight, we'll Control V to paste. Perfect timing. We'll come up here and grab our subject line. Control C, Control V. Come back down, grab our email. So we're ready for the next one. Control C and send. All right, only one more left. So this will be our last account. This will be number 5. We can see that this does work. And we're really hardly doing anything. All we're doing is using pre-made emails and just sending them out in the system that keeps the leads for us, tracks everything for us. And we're done in about 10 minutes. So 10 minutes in the morning or afternoon or whatever spent. And this will just keep going on and on. You can just keep going on forever with this. So this is going to come up. Now, if this is going to be, we'll have to go back and see what the reoccurring payment is for this, or if they opt for that. See, they did look at the upsells. Looks like they just took the standard, right? Which is fine. But now we'll see if they stay in, then we'll keep getting paid. And this will be recurring every month, because all these that we're running now, these are all paid on a reoccurring basis. So every month when they make their payments, then we're going to get paid. So this is a easy, I don't know about fast. It's not fast right now, right? It took us, yesterday was day 21. So it took us 21 days to start making money, but we have started now. Now this should really start to snowball and start getting some of these sales in here, because now we're still sending to more leads every single day. So we're getting more visibility out there, and these offers, maybe somebody liked this offer better than the other one, because this is the brand new offer that we just started sending, that we made the sale on. So pretty cool. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. We appreciate it. And if you like these videos, give me a like on it. Let me know. We're just showing you that there are other ways out there to make money, and you can make money online, and it doesn't have to be complicated. A lot of people overcomplicate it, and it really doesn't have to be. Some of the stuff is pretty easy. Now, if you want to get into some, more money, this system pays really well. We make money with this just about every day. And then this system pays well. Now this one you've seen, so that was $18, which is, it's not bad. It's not high ticket, but it is reoccurring, which is what we like. We like the reoccurring stuff because we just keep getting paid as we continue. So check it out. Check it out for yourself. The link for MLGS is below. The link for the Google document for the emails is below this. And we finally got our cherry popped in Clickbank. So pretty exciting. I like that. I like when things go my way. And thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.